morning. Yes, I am in my car for the bajillionth time because I basically live in here. I need to be in my car. I don't need to be in my car. I just need to be like out of my house a little bit more often. No, that sounds bad too. Anyways, good morning. I'm going to the gym finally in what feels like it's been, is that right? I'm clearly not fully here this morning, but I haven't got to the gym in about a week and I feel completely lost without it. I have been literally stressing it. I feel like any progress that I made is absolutely gone. It's a lot. And I'm kind of glad that I think like that because that means that I'm just more committed to going to the gym, but also it could be a real problem. I have not been feeling very confident in my body for just a week. And I've just been feeling a little off, which is so crazy that the gym makes that much of an impact on a person, seriously. And I'm just happy to say that I'm going back. I know I don't sound like I'm fully better, but I promise you, I am great. I feel so much better. It's just a final bit of this cold and I feel perfect. I haven't been sneezing, coughing, none of that stuff for a good few days. I'm just so excited to be myself again. My voice sounds different, but I'm excited to be myself. All right, let's stop talking. Let's go to this gym. Let's get a workout. Do I have to start from square one again? Also, this vlog is not about like gym or anything like that. I have more important things to talk about a little bit later. Do I look like I just woke up? Yeah, I do. Haven't been here so long, I forgot you have to use a key to open the door. I'm here to get some references for my home because this is the year that we start renovations and updates to the house. So I need some inspiration. And I literally walked out my house with these dirty shoes. They're just so dusty and crusty. Our spot is going to be paint. The copyright music in here is fun, but I am in Lowe's because Lowe's has the brand of paint that I really like. So let's see what they got. I'm in the light section looking at things here because, you know, why not? I got my anchors to hang something up on the wall that I've been dying to hang, and got some colors that I think I'm gonna get samples of. I want to do a thing where I paint the doors and the walls a different color. So for the doors, I'm stuck between these two colors here, but I just don't know yet. These are the only two colors that I've been seeing pop up for doors, and they're from Sherwin-Williams. So I'm probably gonna buy samples and tack them on my doors today, so I know for sure. But I have to go to Ace Hardware now and get samples of the wall color because there's a lot of those from Benjamin. That was a mini fail. Maybe not really, because I got something that I needed from it, but this one barely had anything I need. So yeah, there's that. That was a success. I got more than I actually needed, which is great. I love options. I'm supposed to be cleaning and I haven't done much of that, but it's probably because I'm hungry, so I'm gonna grab something to eat really quick and then start cleaning up my house because I don't know why I did my hand there. I also have to figure out in a little bit with my husband which colors he likes for the walls and for the doors, as well for the living room. I'm gonna hang the item that I wanted to hang originally by the entrance here, and I got the anchor hooks, which is what I was looking for before. I'm just trying to get the ball going, guys. I'm really trying to renovate this house and make it look beautiful, make it feel like home, especially because we have the space. I'm super excited about doing it, and I know my husband is, but the part we don't like too much about it is money. Items are expensive nowadays. Little by little, which is the important part. Things are gonna cost a lot, but as long as we're doing it kind of piece by piece, I think that's what matters. And painting is like the biggest thing that I want to do right now because throughout our house, well, our whole house has not been painted since we moved in, which was like an alabaster white, and I'm like over it already. I am sitting on the floor cleaning up my closet space because that closet is our coat closet and it looked like a hot mess. So I figured I think we should have been clean it, but I've been cleaning other stuff and I've just been drifting to the sides and kind of just going with it. So I've been in cleaning mode today. Have only been cleaning downstairs for today. I don't want to overwhelm myself and then clean upstairs and like, oh my gosh. So far, so good. I love a clean home. It just clears my mind. Don't mind the darkness. I'm in my garage. We got home. This is the table. Let's see if I can make it a little brighter. This is the table that we got here. It's solid wood. I'm gonna sand it out a little bit and fix it, and it's gonna go in our kitchen. I think it would be really nice. Super excited to play with that and give it a nice touch. It'll look really, really nice in our kitchen. This spot right here, we've been wanting something to put there just to kind of fill that space up. We have some ideas, and I found that on Facebook Market, and I figured, hey, why not buy it, right? 60 bucks, pure wood, not bad.